Hi, my name is Ernie Coop, and I'm looking forward to connecting with many of you February 13 and 20 as we talk about workplace faith. Many of us spend 9 hours out of 24 hours every day at work, and certainly that's a big chunk of our day, a terribly important aspect of our life. And we're going to explore what does Scripture say about work? How do we avoid this erroneous dichotomy of thinking sacred versus secular? How do we bridge the Sunday to Monday gap? How does the church help us to connect our faith with our work? Or what would be some steps that will help me to determine where I fit in terms of my life's work? And then finally, we'll talk about what are some guidelines for sharing your faith at work. So I'm really looking forward to talking about workplace faith. What does my work and my faith have to do with each other? How do I do that in a way that makes sense? And so I'm looking forward to having this discussion with you. I'm glad that we're going to look at something that is so important to each one of us. All the best. See you soon.